To begin your application on the Sploro platform, you will be asked to enter your personal information, including your full name, email address, and to create a secure password to set up your account. After successfully completing the registration, a confirmation screen will appear. You will be directed to the main dashboard. Select the EVOLVE2CARE Open Call and enter the name of your startup, company, or project to initiate your application. In the initial section of the form, you will be asked basic profile details. You will also be asked if you are interested in making your generated data available through the RAISE platform, a European data exchange platform that supports sharing and reuse of high-quality datasets for AI and research purposes. The application form will request comprehensive details about your project. You will be asked to describe its core objectives, your project team, the specific health challenges you aim to address, and how you intend to collaborate with living labs. Please ensure you complete the relevant sections. To describe your project in detail, you should fill in excellence, including your use case and technology readiness level. In the impact section, outline your target market, strategy for wide-scale implementation, and how your solution addresses end users' needs. In the implementation section, describe your team, your goals, and key project milestones. Afterwards, you will proceed to the ethics self-assessment section. This part asks whether your activities mainly involve any human embryos, human participants, clinical interventions, animal studies, if your personal data are planned to be conducted or imported on EU countries, and any potential risk that may occur. Based on your responses, the platform will prompt you to elaborate on specific ethical considerations, and you need to enter your claims in detail. In the Declaration of Honors section, read and confirm carefully your agreement with the provided statements and accept the privacy notice in order to proceed. Once you have answered all questions, you are strongly encouraged to carefully review your responses by navigating through the summary panel on the left side of the application interface. Use the Review and Submit button to preview your application in full. After double-checking all details, click Submit to officially submit your application for evaluation.